Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my Arabic learners. Now, welcome to another video of our Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, in today's video, we're having some verbs in Arabic. So, here are the verbs. It is already written for you on the board. Arabic verbs. That is, they are in past verbs. That is the fi'l madi. We say the fi'l madi. Then we have the fi'l mudari. Now, we want to use this fi'l madi. We want to transform it to fi'l mudari, that is the present continuous verbs. Then the first is what we have alqa. Alqa, that's alqa. Alqa, that's what it's true. And it's true. That's true. Then the fi'l mudari is going to be yulki. That's what yulki. Alqa, that's what alqa, it's true. That's yulki, that is throwing. That's throwing. Alqa, true. Then yulki, it is what? Throwing. That is the present verbs. Yulki, that is present continuous verbs. Now we have adraka. Adraka, that's an adraka. Then we have yudriku. Adraka, it means what? Reach. Reach. Adraka, that is a reach. Adraka. Then the present continuous verb is going to be what? Reaching. That is what? That is the present continuous verb. Adraka, reach, yudriku. That is the present continuous verb. Now we have athara. It's athara. We have athara. Athara. It means what? Provoke. Athara means what? Provoke. Athara, it means what? Provoke. Now the present verbs, that is the present continuous verb, is going to be yuthiru. That's a yuthi. That's a yuthiru. That's a yuthiru. Athara, yuthiru. That is what? Provoke. Then this is what? Provoking. That's athara. That is athara, provoke. Then yuthiru, which is what? Which is provoking. Athara, provoke. That is what? That is fi'l madi, past tense. Then we have the what? Present tense, which is what? Which is provoking. Now you have irtafa'a. Irtafa'a, which is what? Irtafa'a, rise. It means what? To rise up, to get up. It means what? Rise. Irtafa'a. Then the fi'l mudari is what? Yartafi'u. Yartafi'u, that is what? Rising. Yartafi'u, rising. Then we have i'tarafa. I'tarafa, that is what? I'tarafa. I'tarafa, that is, it means confess. Ya'tarifu. Then ya'tarifu. It means what? Conversing. I'tarafa, ya'tarifu, that is i'tarafa, converse. Ya'tarifu, that is conversing. Then we have iktaraba. Which is what? Then fi'l mudari is going to be yaktaribu. That is what? Iktaraba, yaktarib, iktaraba, that is close. That's what's close. Then yaktaribu is what? Closing. That is the present verbs. Then we have marasa. That is marasa. Marasa. And then we have ajri. Let's write it on top of this place. This is what marasa. We have That is marasa. That's marasa. That is practice. It means what? Practice. It means what? Practice. Marasa, practice. Then yumarisu. That is what? It means what? Practicing. That's practicing. It means yumarisu. That's what? Practicing. Then we have ajro. That's ajro. That's what? Ajro. Ajro means what? Conduct. Ajro. Then the film dori is what? Ujiri. That is what? Conducting. That is what? That is for the film dori. Film dori, that is present continuous tense. So these are the verbs, Arabic verbs. These are the most common Arabic verbs as well. So just take your time to study all this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, share, and make comments. See me in my next video. So subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.